How to eliminate the problems encountered in the use of wheel mill equipment. First of all, when the bearing temperature is too high, there may be the following kinds of insufficient grease. We can add the appropriate amount of grease. The grease is dirty, and the grease should be replaced after regular cleaning of the bearing. Third, the spring breaks because the spring is not relaxed when the discharge port is reduced. So we operate the discharge port to relax the spring first and properly tighten the tie rod nut after adjustment. Secondly, when the flywheel continues to run and the crushing work stops, it may be the elbow plate falls off from the groove, the spring breaks, the tie rod breaks, the tie rod nut loosens, etc. These problems we should understand and should be regularly repaired and maintained on the equipment. In this way, the output and service life of equipment can be better improved.